is up on the lift over at Pawpaw's shop. We got the short track gear out, but we having an issue. Where'd it go? There it is. That is my inner axle seal. I don't know what's left of it. That is supposed to be right in there. So we're having issues, and it's Tuesday night. It is Tuesday night. I gotta get a seal ordered. Hopefully it'll be in here pretty quick. Get that done up, and then we will be headed to Salina Saturday night for a regular points night. I am about 40 something points behind the 10th place. Fingers crossed we can get it. If not, like I said, be real close. So, all right, well, that's it for tonight. Got the gear out. I got to get a seal ordered. I will be in touch with you whenever it comes in. See y'all then. All right, everybody. All right, everybody. We are on day 2 of trying to get this old car ready for Salina, and I ran into an issue with these bolts. Had to cut, that one was completely broke off, and that one was missing from Caney. Had to cut that one off because it was broke. Got a new one in, it's good to go. Got some other things I got to button up under here. The main thing, I'm waiting on the seal to come in. It should be overnighted. And while I'm under here, I'm going to tighten up the trail arm bushes. I did notice that a little bit of slack, so 3 more races left. I got to nip by all I can just to make it, so catch y'all later. Ow. All right, it is Friday. Finally got this freaking thing 90% of the way done. Still like, we ain't worried about that. We like putting fluid in the rear end, pop riveting the body piece back on, and then working over some tires, and then we'll be ready to go. Catch y'all next time.